Ring in the new year with a traditional German pretzel. Start the new year on a sweet note with a time-honored German tradition. Discover the irresistible charm of a New Year's pretzel and learn how to make this delectable treat at home. Share this delightful twist on a classic with your loved ones and create unforgettable memories to last a lifetime. Get ready to celebrate the new year in true German fashion. In this video, we'll explore the rich history behind the tradition of enjoying a sweet, sugar-coated pretzel to usher in the upcoming year. We'll also guide you through a simple, step-by-step recipe that will have you baking your own scrumptious New Year's pretzels in no time. So, gather your friends and family, and let us get started on making this festive season one to remember. Pretzel recipe ingredients. 1. 11 2 cups warm water 110 degrees Fahrenheit 45 degrees Celsius. 2. 1 tablespoon sugar. 3 to 2 teaspoons active dry yeast. 4. 4 cups all-purpose flour. 5. 1 teaspoon salt. 6. 10 cups water. 7. 2 3-cup baking soda. 8. 1 large egg yolk. 9. 2 tablespoons water. 10. Coarse salt or pretzel salt for topping. Instructions. 1. In a mixing bowl, combine the warm water and sugar. Sprinkle the yeast on top and let it sit for 5 minutes, or until the mixture becomes frothy. 2. In a separate large bowl, mix the flour and salt. 3. Gradually add the yeast mixture to the flour mixture, and stir until the dough comes together. 4. Knead the dough on a floured surface for 5 to 7 minutes, or until it becomes smooth and elastic. 5. Place the dough in a greased bowl, cover it with a clean cloth, and let it rise in a warm place for about 1 hour, or until it doubles in size. 6. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit 230 degrees Celsius. Line 2 baking sheets with parchment paper or silicone baking mats. 7. Punch down the dough and divide it into 12 equal-sized pieces. Roll each piece into a long rope, about 24 inches long, and shape it into a pretzel. 8. In a large saucepan, bring the 10 cups of water and baking soda to a rolling boil. One at a time, gently lower each pretzel into the boiling water and boil for 30 seconds on each side. Remove the pretzel with a slotted spoon and let it drain on a wire rack. 9. In a small bowl, whisk together the egg yolk and 2 tablespoons of water to create an egg wash. 10. Arrange the pretzels on the prepared baking sheets and brush them with the egg wash. Sprinkle them with coarse salt or pretzel salt. 11. Bake the pretzels in the preheated oven for 12 to 15 minutes, or until they are golden brown. 12. Remove the pretzels from the oven and let them cool on a wire rack for a few minutes before serving. Enjoy your homemade pretzels. Thanks for joining our flavorful journey. If you enjoyed the feast, don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes and cultural celebrations.